So we are at local cemetery. We are about to start farming this land, ideally without waking up the permanent residents. Indonesia is the fourth most populated country on earth, but our land sees only 14. So basically, we are living on top each other like giant game of Tetris. Because of this, urban farming is a nightmare because most city folks barely have enough space for a doormat, let alone a garden. I'm from concrete jungle of Jakarta, but I'm certified farming instructor. Yes, a city boy who actually likes mud. Rare, I know. Currently, I'm in the small town of Kediri, East Java, teaching youngster how to grow stuff. And yes, that's me in the photos. That's also me, and I'm everywhere.
Nah, ketika pertama kali saya cek di situ ternyata ada pipa air bocor. Sehingga dia berpikir kalau tetes air.
Most government instructors take the money and run as soon as the contract ends. But not for me. I stick to my students like glue until they actually know what they are doing. The problem is they are beginners. Since they might accidentally kill a few plants, the local banks won't give them a dime. It's a bit ironic since the government wants more young farmers but won't give them the seed to start. The story began in small town. In every training, governments only permit 20 students for learning agriculture. And then I asked the local boss if I could use this vacant land next to the cemetery. Well, he said yes, but then came the superstitions boss fight. Don't touch the dirt. The ghosts will get cranky. I honestly had to laugh. You know, dead people are dead. They have better things to do than worry about my kale. Still, out of my 20 students, only 10 were brave enough to pick up shovel. The other 10 are supervising from very safe, very far distance. We're just shoveling this soil. This soil is quite fertile. It's not hard. You can see the material here. It's never been used. It's a good soil for farm. Kurang nggak di tasnya? Once we actually got a farm looking good. Suddenly, the money people showed up. They offered a loan, but with small catch. First, they want 30% of the profit. Second, I have to fire 70% of my student to save costs.
Wait a minute!
Excuse me? I didn't train these people just to kick them out the moment things got interesting. This isn't about making a million bucks. It's about giving young people a future. Since the local boss already pushed some of the money onto us, I called a huddle with my coordinators. We have to make this work. I've already found buyers for the harvest, and now the neighbors are peeking over the fence hoping to join the ghost farm revolutions. Oh, wait. So, are the other 10 students still hiding behind the trees? Or have they finally realized the ghosts don't care about the cabbage? To find out, subscribe this channel and turn on the notifications because there will be part 2.